star meet. When I contact to teachers, their that communication problem is coming. When I go outside, something shopping malls, there also different shades is coming. One more thing, my younger son is talking very well English. When they are doing homeworks,
Okay.
I don't know how to explain that homeworks. I didn't help that homeworks also. My younger son, my mother tongue is Telugu, but my younger son doesn't know Telugu.
So good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon.
How are you? Uh,
I'm fine, sir. What about you?
I'm also fine. Thank you for asking. And I want you to introduce yourself. I want to know about yourself. Just basic things like where are you from and what do you
Yeah,
do, ma'am?
yes, sir. Hello, sir. Good evening. My name is Priya. I live in Hyderabad. I'll talk about my studies. I BSc completed. I am married. I have two sons. My elder son is 9 years. He's in grade 4. My younger son is 6 years. He's in UKG. That's all about for me, sir. Thank you so much. Tell me about yourself, sir.
Yes, yes, sure. Hi, my name is Vishal Jamsudkar. I'm a Maharashtrian and I live in Maharashtra. Here is one city. Maybe you know Mumbai city. So in Mumbai, I'm living right now. If I talk about my qualification, I did not have any higher qualification, just 10 plus 2. And right now, I'm working in a customer service. It's been 1 year where I'm working. And as well as I'm a YouTuber. So I'm making conversation videos and putting that videos on my YouTube channel.
Okay. You why you are learning English, sir?
Because without English, you cannot survive or we cannot get a good opportunity and you cannot do any kind of job, I can say, without English. As you have a qualification, but you don't have a good command of English. So in that case, you cannot survive or it will it will be impacted on your job.
Why you are learning English language?
So that is the only reason. That is the only reason. Because some years ago, I used to do any kind of jobs.
Yeah.
So after learning English, I got many opportunities. And right now, as I told you that it's been 1 year, I have been working in the customer service, and because of the English communication skill, I can say. So I could grab the opportunities, and right now I'm working in the mail and chat process, and so like these days, I could see these days because of English language, and before that, as I told you, I used to do any kind of work like like before, if I talk about my previous, like 5 to 7 years ago, I used to do work as a driver, I can say, and a liftman, office assistant, and all. So outdoor work also as a sales field, sales executive, field executive like this. So, but I did not leave my practice because of that. And I'm also beginner. I'm learning, and I want to grab more and more opportunities. So that is the only reason.
You are in now you are in customer service now. I think so. You have so you want to learn so much English.
Because I am not saying that I am surrounded by the very educated people, but the people with whom I am surrounded or I was surrounded, they are like me. So just we speak with each other sometimes, and the environment I realize the environment. I want to ask you that you are housewife, no, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm a housewife.
Okay, so I will also ask you, I would like to ask you that why are you learning and what is the reason behind it? Like any particular reason behind it, and when you decided that no, I will also speak English one day, when you decided.
Yes, sir. Thank you for your asking that one. I have strong regions in my bag. Why means I want to learn English. Why means uh, when I go school, star meet. When I contact to teachers, their that communication problem is coming. When I go outside, something shopping malls, there also different shades is coming. One more thing, my younger son is talking very well English. When they are doing homeworks,
Okay.
I don't know how to explain that homeworks. I didn't help that homeworks also. My younger son, my mother tongue is Telugu, but my younger son doesn't know Telugu. I want to, uh, that's why I want to learn English.
Okay, okay, got it, got it. Means it is also good that I glad to hear that. And there are many women, women like you, that they want to break their comfort zone. Comfort zone means they are seeing around us that you said that whenever you reach at your children's school and a lot of people speak in English, but you are not able to speak. So that is why you decided that anyhow I will learn this language. I will also speak with
Yeah,
them.
because of my
I will.
sons only, I want to learn English.
Okay.
That
Yeah,
is
yeah.
not
So
my passion.
you're right, you're right. Because
Yeah,
if you learn, you can teach them also, you can help them also. They will not going to say they will not going to say that my mom is not able to know English language.
yeah, yeah.
So say that my mom is better than me in English subject and she will also help me and because of her I'm here. So they should say that. Right. So
Yes.
definitely your motto and your reason is valid and also
Yeah,
good
that's
reason.
why. Now they're very small. One is grade 4, one is UKG, but there is very small. They when they grown up or higher, when they go higher grade, that time they think very. My mama doesn't know anything. She's not helping me. All mamas are help. Now only my younger son doing like that. You don't know anything. You don't know
Okay.
the word meaning. Now they're kids now. Okay, I'll take like light only, but I'll think that time, okay, this is not good. When they're grown up, that time it's very shame. Nowadays also, when I go school, any competition, that time I'll go there. Some parents also talking very well English. That time I'm also a little bit degrade, shyful.
Right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah, yeah. But you are speaking good, ma'am. I'm not saying that you are not. You are able to speak, but definitely it will come with practice only. And I
Yes, sir.
can understand what you
Also
feel
because
like.
of my sons only. My sons so much helped me when I'm talking something sentence wrong, any grammar. My elder son is corrected me. No, mama, I have to talk like that. You're using this word, that word. My husband also, he's encouraging me. That's why I want to learn now. Now I'm able to little bit better.
Little bit better.
Now I'm
Yeah.
able to understand.
It shows that you are. It seems that it seems that you are a very hard worker, and
Yeah,
because you know that first of all, we are like as a man, we don't have any work like nowadays. That suppose we decide to learn anything, so we can because we no need to wake up very early. No need to prepare all the work like homework. Just we put our take our tiffin and go to work and then return and I can we can manage our for some time for learning. If I talk about the woman household woman, so it is not quite, it is very difficult to manage all these things and simultaneously learning a new things. It is very difficult. So and you are, I can see that you are very hard worker and simultaneously doing all you are learning and you learn, ma'am. So I
yeah.
bet
Thank you.
best is that as much as possible you will be very fluent in English.
Yes, thank you so much. I have one question, sir. How you improve your English language?
Yeah,
Any?
yeah. Just ma'am, nothing. I did not do any big thing like just speaking with strangers, with co-learners, and just speaking on video call. I improved, and and I listen as well. Story reading videos, story what we can say, English story videos. I listen carefully. I watch with subtitles. Both the things I follow every day because I am also working professional. And whenever I get a time, so I read any particular book because if you reading habit is also good. Suppose you have suppose there is one book which I had been reading, which was Abdul APJ Abdul Kalam. So whenever I move a little bit go ahead, so like I focus to read in that book, or I get interested more and more interested to read that book. So if you read particular thing, so that things also give you positive result. सपोज मतलब आपको किसी चीज में दिलचस्पी है, अगर वो स्टार्ट से इफ यू स्टार्ट टू रीड फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट डे, देन when you will like reach at the 15th page, so you will get indulged with that book more and more. So and it should be only English book, I can say. So these three things I follow every day, ma'am.
Okay. How
And
many you upload this conversation video, sir?
I have uploaded 94 videos. 94.
You,
So,
I think first video compared to 94 video comparison, you saw that video? Any improvement?
yes, yes. You asked me a very good question. If you see my first video, if you so that video I was fumbling, and I recorded my individual videos like how to speak, how to learn. So I was fumbling. I had done many mistakes in that. But right now, when I have a conversation with anyone, so rarely I find a mistake. Rarely I find. So I have improved my confidence level, I guess.
Because of
So
these conversations only, your English is improved.
yes, yes, yes. Nothing. I did not do nothing, ma'am. Like just practice. It's been 1.5 year, more than 1.5 year, 2 years. I have been practicing. So it automatically all will come with practice.
Okay.
So I would like to know what is your timetable, or what is your schedule of learning English? What do you do every day?
Of course. Yeah, yeah, yes, sir. My schedule is I have two sons, I told you. When they went to school, I drop the school. I drop the
Okay.
school and come back to home. I'll prepare my breakfast and lunch. When I am doing home chores works, that time I'll switch on the TV or mobile. This conversation videos, YouTube. I'll listen and I'll do my home chores works. Then every day I'll connect to 2 3 people's this conversation videos. Next I'll pick up my sons. They'll come back to home. Then I'll after finishing snacks like that, they switch on the TV. They're also watching cartoon channels. I'm also watching that time. Uh, that's it, sir.
Okay. So how many times you give? How much time you give? Do you give for speaking on video call or audio call? With
Yeah,
have a communication for
yeah.
strangers
Every
or
day, yeah, every day these conversations only, sir. Every day, max 3 conversations is going on, sir, nowadays.
okay, that's great. Great,
Why
great.
means I want to learn. That's why I prepared every minute. Someone
Very
is put the message. Someone is anybody is free
okay, okay.
like that.
Great, great. It is good that like that 1 hour is fine, I can say. At our initial stage, 2 hours is fine for practice, and after that it depends on you. Whenever you got to know that the base of the English language, so that time you cannot leave or you cannot think any other thing apart from English. मतलब English के वजह आप कुछ नहीं सोचेंगे. It happens with me right now. No worry, ma'am. And definitely, after 6 months. So when did you start, ma'am? When did you start?
I'll start just 20 days back only, sir. I'll
In,
start my YouTube channel also. I'll start it. Same, yeah. Both are same time only.
Same time. Okay.
Just 20
Definitely.
days back only I started that one. This conversation actually I don't know. This conversations is there or not. I don't know actually. Just I listen that normally YouTube channel cartoon conversation is coming. Na that one I listen so many times. Next one day I saw in YouTube channel Manju Mishra ma'am.
Okay.
uh, I saw that video. I'm also thinking, okay, I also started this type of conservation. I think so. This is helped so much. That's why I'll started this YouTube channel also.
Okay. Okay. So what is your YouTube channel name, ma'am? And how
Uh,
many subscribers do you have?
just 20 days back only, na sir. I don't want to subscribers, viewers. No, my memory. I mean, when I old age that time, how is the language? When I improved that time, I'll saw that videos. Just I want to what is that called?
Okay.
Memory.
Memorize.
Yeah,
Okay.
memory.
You have to keep that memory. That how
Yeah,
was
yeah,
your
yeah. One time I upload my son's playings, the activities. My sons are reading books like that. I upload that one also.
Okay. Okay.
So
Great.
the
Great,
sons,
ma'am.
they're playing very shooting games, something different games they're playing. That time I'll also capture their videos and I upload that one also, sir. Still, I am not
Okay.
uploading conversation videos. Why means little bit I am shy. Someone is when someone is saw my videos, they're laughing. They're I think so laugh. That's why I'm thinking I'm not upload these videos also conversation videos.
Great, great. Actually, yeah, you are doing a very great job, ma'am. And that you have started your YouTube channel. And I wish that your English language and your YouTube channel will be improved as soon as possible. My best wishes to you always.
So
Uh,
much.
yeah. So definitely we will meet you again, ma'am. We will have a conversation. If
Yeah.
not, it is not possible on video call, so definitely on audio call. So we will improve each other. We will improve our English. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. So it's nice talking to you, and definitely we will meet you again. And thank you that you gave
Thank
me your time as well, ma'am.
you. Okay. Bye.
Okay.